Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Bede. In this video, I will show you the fastest ways to start making steady monthly income on YouTube this year. Yes, this is speaking from a practical experience because I'm on YouTube right now making videos, but I'm going to tell you two channel ideas you can start today, and in a matter of 2 to 3 months you'll be making steady monthly income. So pay close attention in order not to miss any vital information. But before that, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you could be the first to know when I upload new helpful videos for your online business success. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video so more people can find it and be empowered by it. So with that said, let's dive in. Alright guys, welcome back. As mentioned earlier, I'm going to be showing you the fastest ways you can start making money on YouTube. Alright, the fastest ways you can start making money on YouTube, and you'll be making steady monthly income. Every month you're going to be making at least some kind of passive income. Alright, so because what I'm about is showing you stuff that would help you leverage the opportunities online and start making money. Alright, so if this is the kind of video that you like, consider subscribing to this channel. This video particularly is for those who probably don't have a YouTube channel, alright, but you know about YouTube, you watch videos on YouTube and you keep imagining or wondering to yourself how you can start your own channel and be gaining traction. And maybe you've heard a lot of people say that it takes a long time to gain subscribers and engagement on your videos. While that is true, there are ways you can go about it, or the kind of ideas, because it boils down to ideas. There are channel ideas that you can start with and you'll be getting a lot of views. Apart from the number of subscribers that you're gonna have, you'll be getting engagement on each videos that you post. All right, it might not start out that way the first 2-3 videos that you're gonna post, but I tell you, over time, and it takes maybe 1-2 months to 3 months, you're gonna start seeing a lot of engagement. So if you are the type who want to have a YouTube channel, I'm going to share 2 channel ideas with you on this video that would help you start out fast, and in a matter of 2 to 3 months you're gonna be making steady monthly income. Even if it's $50, $100, $150, $200, you can imagine what it is for us here living in Nigeria. You know the conversion rate, so it makes a whole lot of sense. $200 is like like 100,000 naira thereabouts. $50 is about 50,000 naira thereabouts, right? No, $100 is about 50,000 naira thereabout, yeah. While $200 is about 100,000, yeah. So basically, this is what is gonna, with that kind of money, yeah, you'll be able to survive from month to month. And I tell you, while your subscriber base grows over time, because it's definitely going to grow over time, the money that you make monthly from YouTube is going to grow. So if you are the type that likes this sort of video information, the information that I'm going to give out in this video, you want to start your own YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this channel right now. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you'd be notified when I upload new videos just like this one. All right, because what I do is I am always online, researching for opportunities to help you leverage all of these opportunities, make money online just the way I'm making money online. All right, so I try out some methods. I come here and I show you how I went about it, and I'm hoping that you're just gonna take the same steps and make that same achieve the same thing. All right, so let's jump right into it. Now, number one. Now, of course, many of you are very aware about YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. I talk about things like this, how to make money online. So we have several types of niche that people engage with. All right, that people used to, because it's content creation, you're creating content, but there are several ways you can do it. You can see that I'm showing myself here talking, right? But a lot of people don't do that. So there's something called faceless YouTube channel. There are everywhere. I'm sure you've even seen most of them where people just talk in the background and they just show you stuff. All right, that's faceless. So if you are the type who doesn't really want to show your face for whatever reason, you don't need to worry. You can still make money with faceless YouTube channel, like make a whole lot of money, more than those who are even showing their faces, because showing your face doesn't really count by any measure. It doesn't count. All right, so what matters is the information that you're dishing out. Are people engaging with information? Is it what people really want to engage with? All right, so let's jump right into it. Number one, on my list. Number one is faceless channel using just your voice. All right, faceless channel using just your voice. I say this because I monitored one guy on YouTube. Now let's go to his YouTube page. This is Gomep Updates. All right, so maybe I'm giving him some kind of free awareness. I'm creating awareness for him. All right, so but I'm quite interested in this guy because he started just 2 months ago. Now let's go through his video list and let's go through exactly when he started. Yeah, so this is the first video he posted. As you can see, he posted 2 months ago and he got 761 views to date. Now the next video he posted was 41 views 2 months ago as well, 30 views, 86 views, 28 views. You can see that he started out with just very few views. All right, don't worry, because when you start out you're not going to get much views, but I tell you, with time, when you remain consistent, people will notice you. YouTube algorithm will notice you and start recommending your videos. Because till today I get recommendations from this guy, not because I go to his page, but because the kind of views that he gets. Now let's move straight. You can imagine what he's been getting from the start when he started posting, but let's go up now to the last video that he did, or last few videos. He's been getting 8,000 something views, 7,000 something views. Now this is the one he posted just 2 hours ago. He's getting about 508 views. This one he posted 1 hour ago. He's getting 288 views just in 1 hour. So this is 1 day ago, 1,600 views. All right, and now this is 59,000 views. This is 27,000 views, so 26,000 views. A lot of views going forward. He doesn't have much videos. All right, you can see he doesn't have much videos. Started just 2 months ago. But what this guy does is that he makes about 4 videos every day. Now, faceless, how does he do it? I think his major focus is on Portable. You know Portable, this Zazu guy, right? That's his major focus. I think that is quite he's a fan of the guy. So, and of course the guy posts a lot of videos on Instagram, on his Instagram page. So what he does is he goes to the Instagram page of this guy, gets the video, because you can actually download an Instagram video using this tool called Ingram.io. All right, so I'm going to put the link in the description so you can go grab it if you're interested in this. So with this, you'll be able to get videos from Instagram easily, and then you'll be able to now talk about it. All right, so basically that's what this guy does. You'll be able to talk about it. All right, so this is one way you can make cool money monthly on YouTube. Now, how many subscribers does this guy have? Let's check it. This guy has about 6,088, that's it, close to 7,000 subscribers in 2 months. Close to 7,000 subscribers in 2 months. All right, so I mean, I started mine now is about 5 months, and I'm yet to hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm honest with you, like I'm being honest. All right, this guy just started 2 months ago and he's close to 7,000 subscribers. The engagement on his videos is very crazy because people love gossips. People love trending news about celebrities. People want to know what's going on. A lot of people don't know what's going on Instagram. So if you can bring those kinds of stuff on YouTube, they would want to engage with it. All right, so you can actually focus on one celebrity who is controversial. Some people focus on Bobrisky, some people focus on some other people who are controversial. That helps you because controversy sells. All right, so gossip actually sells because people we have a lot of in Nigeria we have loads of stuff happening, like on a daily, like every week you have news stories popping up. So if what you want to focus on, probably not on a celebrity, but happenings in Nigeria, controversial issues, like when this BRT thingy happened some weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, about the death of Bamishe. All right, may her soul rest in perfect peace. It was a very horrible incident, but a lot of people made videos about it. Now when Tiwa Savage stuff news broke out as well, when this singer guy, forgotten his name right now, when his news broke out as well, it was everywhere. So if you want to focus on gossips, news and kinds of stuff, yeah, you can do that. Another idea that you can go with, which tallies with the one I just said, faceless, is headline news. All right, you can get headlines from newspapers online and just read it out without showing your face. And people want to know what's going on, like the headlines of the news. All right, instead of watching the news, they just want to get the headlines. So a lot of people will follow you for that if they know that you're an authority in giving them daily headlines. Every morning they're getting headlines. All right, so these are ways you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face, and in a matter of 2 to 3 months, I've shown you a typical example of some guy who started just 2 months ago and he's monetized right now. I know he's monetized because let's look at the number of views. Oh, sorry. All right, so something is not right. So, but he has about 1 million views currently on his page, on his YouTube channel. He has about 1 million views right now, so definitely he is monetized with that kind of number. And with the, of course, you have for YouTube, you need to cross the 1,000 subscriber threshold, and also you need to cross the 4,000 watch hours threshold. So this guy definitely has all of that intact, and I'm sure he's making money already every month on YouTube. So that is the number one, that's the number one idea, YouTube channel idea that I think you should go into, and I'm sure you'll be making a whole lot of money. All right, so let's look at the number two. Number two is Vox Pop channel with your phone. I'm sure you know what Vox Pop is. You go into the streets, interviewing people on topical issues, on controversial issues, all right, and maybe asking them some random funny questions that people would be interested to know their response. All right, so I'm going to show you an example. This is Cracks. I'm sure you know Cracks TV, Cracks Vox Pop. All right, let's see if it will play.
So yeah, welcome to Vox Pop on Cracks TV. So I'm going to ask the iPhone users versus the Android users button it out now, not on Instagram, not on Twitter, but on the street of Lagos, and they're going to tell us what.
So you can see that right now. So that is an example of the Vox Pop I'm talking about, where they interview people, all right, on topical issues, on some kind of random questions. And of course, you don't need a DSLR camera or some kind of professional camera. As long as you have your phone, all right, you can actually use your phone, go on the streets and interview people. I'm serious about it. You can use your phone. Probably the only thing you would need is some kind of microphone, like a lapel microphone, that you can connect to your phone and then pin it to the person you're interviewing, all right, and so that the voice will be clear. It's actually very cheap. You can go to the Computer Village if you live in Lagos, or any other place in the city where you live or the state where you live where you can get it. All right, it's quite cheap. I don't know how much exactly, but I know it is not more than 5,000 naira. You can get it, and then you pin it to the phone. No, you connect it to the phone. It's wired, so it's connected to the phone. I wouldn't say you go for what there's a wireless one and there's a wired one. The wired one is cheaper, so you just pin it to who you're interviewing. You can ask them random questions. There are too many things, too many issues, too many topical issues happening in Nigeria. There are so many things to talk about. There are so many things for people that people would want to air their opinion on, and they are waiting there on the street. You can go to that the nearest junction to you, and you see loads of people. You can interview Okada riders, you can interview Keke riders, you can interview anybody as long as you can come up with the very topic. So in a day you can record, you can have like 5 content for 5 videos, right? Because if you go out there with 5 questions, all right, you ask random people like 5 each for each questions, all right, that is like 5 minutes each, and you can even edit it on your phone or bring it to your laptop if you have one and post it on YouTube. People will engage with that kind of content, I tell you, and in a matter of 2 to 3 months, you will start seeing traction, you will start seeing engagement, and you would start making money, because this is for real. This is for real. You will start making money. There are many things you can talk about. So I would want you to take these 2 ideas, the Faceless YouTube channel and the Vox Pop YouTube channel idea. Take these ideas, take it to heart. If you really want to start a YouTube channel, this is the right time to start it. You don't need anybody to convince you anymore, because you can do it. You can actually do it without having some kind of huge capital, because a lot of people will be like, I need this, I'm saving up money to buy this professional camera, I'm saving up money to buy these lights, I'm saving up money to do all of this. But I tell you, with these ideas that I've shared with you right now, especially with the first one, Faceless, you don't need anything, right? You don't even need camera, you don't need your phone, The only thing you probably need it for is to edit if you don't have a laptop, all right? Because you don't need that. You don't need a light. You don't need to make up. You don't need to a background the way I have this background set up. I did all of this because of the kind of video I want to be doing. So it depends on the niche you want to go into. That determines how you want to set up your stuff. But the faceless one, I tell you, people are making money. There are so many people doing this. They are already in their 50,000 subscribers, and check out when they started, not more than 1 year, 2 years, all right? So they're making a lot of money. And you know what, YouTube with like 10,000 subscribers, you can make good money. 20,000 subscribers, you can make steady money. And the good thing about it is you keep making money on YouTube as long as your videos are on there getting views, all right? That's the thing. As they are getting views, you keep making money forever. Now, this is the top thing, the sweetest thing about YouTube, all right? So that's it. What is stopping you from getting on YouTube? Tell me. Put it in the comment section, and I would do my best to advise you or maybe help you set up your YouTube channel if you need my help, because I want us to win together. I want you to be on YouTube just the way I'm being on YouTube, creating content, being creative instead of just waiting for some kind of miracle to happen or some kind of stuff. You can start making money on yourself, and you can be your own boss, all right? And you can have as many channels as you can manage, all right? So but start with one and let that one grow, all right? So that's it. The fastest ways you can make steady monthly income on YouTube this year, all right? If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you love what I've been saying so far, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I upload new helpful videos for your online business success, just like this one, all right? Go right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the like button, smash it. Let me know you like this video, and in the comment section, all right, let me know what help you need with setting up your YouTube channel. Ask me any question and I'll do my best to answer all of them. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.